Y'all, I am sad. I am sad. I received a call from Miss Lou. Those of you that have been following me, you saw me just pull up at Kitchen Kake Magic. And this is where we did our meet and greet. This is where I get my cream bouquet, my colors, whenever I'm baking a cake, any type of color that I use, cake boards, cake boxes, pie boxes, all of the above. Y'all, Miss Lou called me and informed me that she is getting ready to retire. So, what does that mean for Kitchen Kake Magic? Based on what she told me, it looks like my local cake supplier will be closing. So I'm sad. So y'all, let me go ahead and get the tea so I can see what's going on. Good morning.
You need a hug?
I'm sad. And you know this camera is facing me. So I'm sad. I said, you know this camera is facing me. I am. I'm sad. Was your voicemail to me real?
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Lou, I'm sad. I think I need to insert some sad music right here.
But Roxanne is going to take it over.
Really?
Yep.
So it's not going to close.
It's not going to be here. It's going to be down there at her furniture store.
Empire Furniture, all the way down where Walgreens is, Sheets is.
Wow, okay, where am I at?
Hickory
I'm on
Tree
Peter's.
Road.
Hickory Tree. Okay.
So when you get to the intersection of Hickory Tree, if you're going this way, so I have to turn
So if
this
I'm
way.
coming-
You know, breakfast time is over there.
On the right, yes.
Okay, but on this left side.
It's Sheets.
Is Sheets,
Uh-huh.
and then daycare, and
Uh-huh.
then the furniture store. and
No,
then
the furniture
church.
store's before the daycare.
She know.
But it's up that
Sheets,
way.
McDonald's, and then the furniture store.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I guess I'm still gonna be able to get my cream bouquet and my other stuff. I was telling it my YouTube family before I came in here that you had called. So it's gonna be inside the furniture store?
Yeah, it probably won't be ready to
Whatever
open till
works.
about the middle of June.
Middle of June. Okay. And your last day is the 31st.
May 31st.
Oh, well, it's well deserved.
Yeah.
Miss Lou, did you say you were 80?
I'll be 75 my next birthday.
75. Where did I get 80 from? 75.
I feel 80. How's that?
Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. Well, I can feel a little bit better. I ain't even call her back. I just came. Oh my goodness. Okay. Empire Furniture.
Yeah.
Well, I'll give you guys more details as I learn them. I feel better now because I thought, you know, I'm going to have to start using Amazing, the Amazon peoples, to get my cream bouquet. Oh, my goodness. All right.
And they kind of high.
Yeah, so I've heard. Okay. So you said from now until the 31st,
31st.
most of everything is 20% off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did you say about these cake pans and stuff over here?
What's here now is going to be it until Roxana orders.
Okay, so you're not gonna order. You don't need to order anymore. You have so many. So if y'all want, are these 20% off too?
Yes.
All right. So those of you that are close by, and even those of you that love to travel, y'all better get to Kitchen Kake Magic before the 31st and get some of this stuff that's 20% off, because then the new lady she's gonna have to restock and reorder. So for those of you cake bakers and you know, like doing parties and stuff, y'all come on down here. Candy molds. Ooh, look at all this candy. Chocolate. Are you getting any more chocolate, Miss Lou?
There's more chocolate in the back.
More chocolate in the bag. Is that 20% off too?
Yes.
Oh, y'all better come get some chocolate. Okay. So just in case we have some new viewers that are recent to the family and you don't know about Kitchen Kake Magic and you're in the Triad area or you feel like driving, you better get on here to 1415 Trade Mart Boulevard. Right? 1415 Trade Mart Boulevard. And see what you can pick up, especially if you have a business. So, see, we don't know what the prices are gonna be when the new lady takes over. That's gonna be her business, so that's her business. What she gonna charge? She might not charge the same thing Miss Lou was charging. So this is just a sneak peek or a quick peep at what's here. She does have some things that are still coming in. So if you want to get here, you have a couple of more weeks to get here. Miss Lou, what day is the 31st on?
Friday.
I was gonna say, I know you know. A Friday. Are you gonna be open all day that Friday, the 31st?
Ma'am, 9 to 6.
Ooh, 9 to 6, and you gonna go out of here dancing. Oh my goodness. All these little cute things for cupcakes and cakes and stuff. Look at there. So, Miss Lou wanted me to inform my YouTube family because so many of you do come in and buy stuff and talk about our YouTube family. So y'all get on by here and get you some of this stuff and wish Miss Lou well as she retires. All right, you guys. So I'm happy. I'm so happy for Miss Lou. It is definitely bittersweet. Bittersweet, but you know, hey, when you work, most people do want to get to that point that they can retire. So I am so happy for her. But I am definitely going to miss her. I'm thankful too that the store will remain that someone is purchasing the business. So that's good too. That's definitely a good thing, because I really didn't want to have to start ordering my cake supplies. So of course, once the new owner is up and running, we will go pay her a visit. Y'all are still crooked. Is that better? Okay, that's better. We'll go pay her a visit, and hopefully she will be as gracious as Miss Lou has been over the years, allowing me to come in and capture, do video. So I just wanted to give y'all the word on the street. Miss Lou will be retiring the end of this month. So y'all better get to the Kitchen Kake Magic by May 31st, because that's going to be all she wrote. That's going to be the end as it pertains to Miss Lou and Kitchen Kake Magic. She has certainly been such a wonderful addition to our little city of Winston-Salem, because what she sells, like Michael's and Hobby Lobby, they just have a really, really small section, and that kind of store is definitely needed in our area. So I'm thankful. Certainly wish Miss Lou well. And what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I had to go in and get the tea. I had to go in and get the tea, y'all. So I have a couple of more weeks. What's today? I have a couple more weeks, and I told her that I will come back and see her. And of course, there are some things that I want to stock up on as well. So I will see her in a couple of weeks before she closes. But in any event, just wanted to make sure that you all were in the know. And when she called me and left the message, she actually told me to make sure that I let my YouTube family know. I just can't get y'all straight. She wanted me to make sure that I let you all know. So you all know. So if you can, get here before she closes. Otherwise, you'll probably have to wait until maybe, June, a little after June, sometime, probably a little after June, to get your cake supplies, okay? All right, you guys, quick little field trip for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so and turning on that notification bell. That's that hitting the nosy. That way you'll be notified whenever we're over here just doing all the things, okay? Whew, I feel better. Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.